Are courses dead or dying? This is a question I get occasionally from people that are obviously looking into what I do and how I help people. And I get the occasional question of, is the course industry on its arse? Is it dying, basically? And no. The short answer is no. Obviously, I'm going to be biased because it's what I teach and help people to do. But again, I've been in this industry for a long time. I first launched my own course back in 2018, and I've just seen the industry and the need and demand for courses only grow from there. It's only been on an upward trajectory. It's not stopping. Every single week, there's more people searching for online courses. It's never going to slow down because, again, people have realised since lockdown the convenience of online education, of learning online, not having to go somewhere physical. Obviously, there's a place and a time for that. There are still opportunities where you can cater to in-person events and trainings, but it's the most inefficient use of your time. The best model to follow, if you still want to do that, is have an initial online course that everyone around the world can consume and watch. Then if you want to, then you can upsell to an in-person, much more premium event, because I've spoken to a lot of people over the years that have ended up working with me because they were stuck doing that one-to-one or one-to-a-few in a room model, and it's just not sufficient, is it? It's efficient. You can't scale. Your calendar is limited to the amount of events and live trainings that you can do. Or if you're working one-to-one with people, even if it's virtual, you're doing one-to-one calls with people. Again, your calendar is capped by your time, and you can only earn X amount of money before you're exhausted. Your calendar's full. You have no spare time to do anything else. It's silly. So the beauty of an online course is all the benefits of the physical, but you just teach the physical once in an online course. Everyone buys, watches in their own time, in their own leisure. Then if you want, then you can upsell to physical locations or one-to-one calls at a higher price point. Therefore, you do fewer, but still make the same, if not more money. There we go. So on the screen, I just wanted proof, really. I was intrigued to see the search behaviors of people on the internet. So I literally just went to Google Trends, typed in online course just as a reference point, because obviously this will precede or follow different keywords. So you can put different keywords in after, like photography, yoga, landscape gardening, whatever your niche is. But as a broad search term, online course, as you can see from 2004, it's not gone up. I mean, it's not gone down, rather, it's gone up. It's been a steady trajectory since 2004. We had the obvious lockdown peak in 2020. I launched my current business in 2019. Before that, I launched my online course before that in 2018. So I sat around here, I believe it was. Launched it there, and then launched my current business around here, and then lockdown happened and interest peaked, and then since then, as you can see, it's just slowly creeping back up to reach this peak again. It's going to just continuously go up. That is it. That is the proof. The proof is in the stats. Yeah, there you go. So I just wanted to kind of put to bed any concerns that people may be having. We have like 15 or 20 people book a call with our team every single day to learn about our coaching program and essentially enroll into our coaching program. And obviously this is one of a few questions that we get. A common question that we get is the industry slowing down? No, the internet is not going anywhere, obviously. The benefits of having an online course is always crystal clear to people, and everyone wants to learn in their own time that's convenient to them. Then there's always going to be a percentage of those people that buy your course where you can then upsell to a premium coaching option, one-to-one, in-person, mastermind, that kind of thing. There's always going to be a small percentage that will want that, of course, but 95% of the people will just be happy and content with your online course as a standalone, provided it gets them results and a lot of value. That's obviously the most important thing. But there you go. There's proof. Just some stats from my own business, just further proof. I'm always sharing testimonials and client results as well. I'll get onto that in a minute. But, in the last 30 days alone in my own business, 154,000 or almost 156,000 in revenue. it's not slowing down. My business continues to grow month on month. The last 6 months alone, as an example, $882,000 just in the last 6 months. That's what my company has generated. And we just recently, well, the start of the week, we were just under 4 million. We've already done 32,000 this week in revenue. So we've done, since just the end of 2019, I launched this business, 4 million in revenue. Again, only going up. That's the only trajectory I see. It's amazing. So if you haven't jumped on board starting your own online course business, there's never a better time than now. The better time was when you first thought of the idea. If you thought of it a few years ago, if you've been on the fence, you've been thinking, should I? Is it going to take off? Is it going to work? If only you started back then, that's fine. We'll just draw a line in that thing and start you from scratch today, get you moving now, basically. And then, so moving forwards, how do you want to learn a bit more about what I do and how I can help you? Below this video, there's going to be a link where you can watch this 13-minute video where I literally walk through everything. What I do, how I help, some amazing client testimonials to show you clear examples of what I do and how it helps people. And then an opportunity to book a call with me and my team, look at my program, see if I can help you get your online course in place and join that upward trajectory in the online course industry. That really is it. It's that simple. The sooner you start, the sooner you get up and running, the sooner you start earning, basically. There's work involved, of course. It's a proper online business. Don't think just by investing in my course, my program, or anyone else's program, just the act of investing doesn't give you money. You have to implement everything in full, of course. You have to watch all the videos, implement the videos, join my coaching calls, listen to what I say consistently. You will do great if you do that. If you don't do any work, obviously it won't work. But you're smart, you're watching this video, so you probably already need that. But I just want to make it crystal clear. There is hard work involved. End of story. But if you're interested in watching this video, it's a 30-minute long video. As I say, it breaks down the entire process of what I do and how I can help you. Below will be a link to the video. You can check it out. Then you can book a call with my team, and then we'll go from there. That really is it. It's that straightforward. So, our course is dead? No. Your course is not alive, and you need to change that, basically. And I want to be in your corner and help you do that in the most efficient and productive way as possible. I'm going to be in your corner showing you what to do. I'll be coaching you along the way to make sure it's successful out the gate. That really is it. So, as I say, below will be the link to check out this video. That is your next step. Watch this video. Then from there, book a call with my team. Then we get started. And then you join the online course ecosphere and you get to earn more, doing less. You get to make a big impact around the world, get paid for the privilege. And it's a lot of fun. It really is. So have a great day. Watch the video. I'll see you on the calls. And we'll go from there. Talk soon.